Welcome back to another Facebook video tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to deactivate a Facebook page. So start by launching your Facebook app, just like so. Go to your profile. Now you want to make sure you've switched to the Facebook page you want to delete. If not, you can tap on this and select the page. Once you've done that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings again. Now once you're here, scroll until you can access or you can see access and control. Tap on it. When it's done loading, you can tap on deactivation and deletion. Now to deactivate page, we can already see that it's selected. Tap on continue. Now all you need to do at this point, insert your password and you're good to go. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel, please. That's the only way you can show your support. Please support me by subscribing. I really appreciate it a lot. And also leave a comment that it was helpful. That motivates me more, and I'll surely give you a heart. See you in the next one. Peace.